Hi everyone, I want to show you a feature you have on your Chromebooks that can work as a computer-based planner system if you don't want to use a paper planner. So the way that you use this system, first you navigate to it. So you go to keep.google.com and this pops up, so I'll get just that. So keep.google.com, it looks like that. And the first time you go there, if you haven't used Google Keep before, you're going to want to, sometimes a screen will come up that makes you show what browser you have or things like that. So you can click through those screens and answer any questions. This is what your homepage will look like. And if you've never been here, you will have nothing here. I have this literacy homework box that you can see. So I want to show you a couple things. The first thing I like to have kids do is edit their labels. And I like to have them make a label for every class that they are in or every subject that they're taking. So you can see here, I have some different ones in here. And so you can create the labels for your class. You just type in whatever's going on. I know you guys don't have STEM, but I'll do this with 7-8 later. So I'll create a STEM label. Let's say you decide you don't want that, you can just delete it. And so that's how you edit your labels. You can click done when you have what you need. And then to add an assignment, you can just take a note. There's a couple ways you can organize this. Some people like to have a note for every assignment, so they'd have one box for every assignment. Some people like to organize it by class and put all their assignments into each note. That's more like what you see here. So I'll show you how to do one assignment first. So let's say I have math homework is assignment number 1. And sometimes when you type, it'll offer you the option to create a label. If you don't want to do that, just keep typing. So like I'll hit the space bar and keep typing. You take a note. So let's say my assignment is, maybe it's my January 23rd Schoology assignment. Okay. I'm going to be able to set reminders. You can set reminders in 2 different ways. You can either set a reminder for the time that it is due. So if it's due tomorrow, I just click on tomorrow. Or you might want to set a reminder for when you want to work on it. So let's say I want to work on this tonight. I want to work on it before dinner time because I know I'm free then. I'm going to say 5 p.m. And then, I have that reminder. If there is a project you're working on with someone else, you can add them as a collaborator so they can see this in their Keep. I like to color code things so I can just see them really quickly. So if I color code everything for math in green, I can see that this is math and this is literacy. You can add an image if there's a photo you want to take on your Chromebook. And I like to add the labels for it. So like if I want math, I can just go ahead and click on math there. And now I know this is a math assignment. And so that's how that happens. Now you'll see over here, I have these check boxes. If you like that look, you go to these 3 dots again, and you go to show check boxes. And that lets you have different boxes. If you click on it, it'll let you add other ones. So maybe you have another January 24th. I'm just going to do essay for Schoology assignment. And when I close that, then I have these. So then once I have one done, I can click in that checkbox and it crosses it off. If you check again, it will undo that. This is cool too, because then your labels are connected to over here on the side. So let's say you had a whole bunch of math homework. So I'm just going to do another note with a label. Let's say you had several. And like I said, this color code system is cool because then you can just kind of add a glass, see this is math, this is math. But even if you don't like to color code, I can click on the math label and just math will pop up, or click on the literacy label and just literacy. Let's say I click on Spanish and I see, oh, I don't have any Spanish homework tonight. There's nothing in here. That's a cool way to be able to see things. You just go back to notes to see everything all at once. So this is a cool system to be able to create a planner system that isn't paper. It's always with you on your Chromebook. You can add stuff to it. This is another one. You can pin a note so that it just stays at the top if there's something ongoing or a longer project. And with most things in here, you can either click something again to undo it, or like if you want to delete something, you go to those 3 dots again and delete a note. So that's how Google Keep works. That's a super simple version of how you can use Google Keep as a planner that is on your computer.